Is Bitcoin dead? Let's find out in this video. Also, you'll learn strategies that you can use during such cycle, and you'll learn, is it good to sell your crypto or do exactly opposite and buy it a lot. At the end, we will show to you our secret strategies that we use with our team to buy altcoins and Bitcoin before massive pump. Let's start. In most cases, you found this video because you type in Google or YouTube, Bitcoin is dead. Quite often this stuff happens after significant drop of crypto. And do you really believe it is a good time to sell off your Bitcoin at this time? Share with me in the comments. At this moment, we will cover a few examples from history. Have a look. This, what I showed to you, it is Bitcoin is dead search term Google Trends and Bitcoin price. Here it is this stuff, it is Bitcoin price, Bitcoin search term. And have a look, this spike, it shows to us that people looking for Bitcoin is dead. They really type it into Google or YouTube. And have a look, my friend, when it happened, in most cases, this happens like 2019, when Bitcoin dropped to 3,000, people started to looking for it. And have a look what happened after that. Exactly opposite. After that, Bitcoin did significant rise. Because when retails, you need to understand psychology of a crowd. When retails scare, in most cases, it is a good time to buy. Another example for you, recession, another keyword term. And have a look, nearly every time when S&P 500 drops, people started to search recession. And during every time when recession term spikes a lot, have a look what happened after that. Significant rise, significant rise, significant rise. It is how psychology of a crowd works. It is how market works. In most cases, whales, big institutional guys, they buy coins before any significant moment. And quite often they sell it during hype, during all of the stuff to retails. And when coin drop really a lot and retails start to sell, whales have opportunity to buy a lot of coins. That's how market works. Another example for you, let me show to you how the cycle works in reality on real examples. That's example for you how psychology works of a crowd, just oppositely. And we will cover after that example what we can do and should do right now. And if you enjoy what I show to you, smash the like button and subscribe. It's really important for us. Have a look on this example, Dogecoin. When people started searching Dogecoin really heavily on Google, what happened during that time? It was May 2021. Let me guess. Share in the comments before I show to you. Share. Put on the pause and write. May 2021, Dogecoin exactly explode, and after that have a look what happened. Massive drop. Dogecoin rose by nearly 1000%, 764, and have a look what happened after that. 90% of drop. Same happened many times. After that, it happened with Shiba Inu. People started searching on October Shiba Inu, October 2021. And have a look what happened exactly, October 2021. Shiba Inu get pumped dramatically at start of October, 600%, nearly 700% after that massive drop. I know you could say Dogecoin and Shiba it is a scam coin, but have a look with Ethereum, even one of the biggest coin in crypto industry. In May, people look at for mostly when price was at 4,300, and after that additional rehigh and massive drop. That's how psychology of a crowd works. When people look for example, depression, it works exactly oppositely. It is a good time to buy. When people start to look for buy this coin and really everyone wants it, institutionals sell it off to retails. Another example, it is a Solana. Institutionals bought Solana at 4 cents per coin on private sale in 2018, and additional private sale was at 20 cents, 25 cents, 22 cents. Like really a lot of coins they bought on a private sale, a lot. And do you think these people would like to buy Solana during real hype at $260? Such people need liquidity to get out, people that will buy at higher prices. That's why when you see big spike about some coin, it's time to get out. What about the strategies that we use at this moment to buy BTC? BTC have its cycles. Nearly every time in 2015 BTC dropped dramatically from 1000 to 200. After that, BTC in 2015 2018 also dropped from nearly 20,000 to 3,000. Like it calls cycles of BTC, and nearly every time when BTC drops by 70-80%, it is a good time to start accumulate coins and do opposite to most of crowds they do at this moment when people sell off. We have a special strategy that we use with our team. It calls Greenwich indicator. Why Greenwich? We created this system with our team, and during cycles, during massive drops, it shows to us the signals where to buy and sell the coins. About Greenwich, I will share with you a link. There would be video, and I highly recommend you to read and watch. And what's the beauty? And at this moment, Greenwich also shows to us that it is a time to accumulate of coins. Like, I will add all of the stuff in the description. Few words about Greenwich. Have a look. When you see this green stuff, it shows to us that it is time to buy BTC. Also pay attention, it is this stuff, this line. It shows to us a fundamental value of BTC because miners pay money for mining, for all of this stuff, for their equipment. And when BTC reaches this area, in most cases, it's a good time to accumulate BTC and after that trade and accumulate more coins of BTC. And at this moment, have a look on this stuff. Have a look. Remember that such signal, it doesn't work instantly. Have a look on this 2019. It shows a bullish signal, and after that price were additional 3 months in a range, and only after that it get pumped. Friends, before we go on, I ask you to smash the like button, subscribe to be updated in the future, and share this content with your friends that also would enjoy to watch it. And always remember, when most of the crowds started to panic sell, it is good time to buy. When most of the crowds want to buy, it's time to get out. The same here. Crowd panic, that means for you it is good time to accumulate BTC and use our strategy Greenwich that will help you to use it. Here is the video.